What's going on, mother truckers? I know so many times people always want to portray law enforcement and first responders as being bad people and wanting to always do wrong on truck drivers. But let's be honest here. Has a state patrol, DOT, someone in law enforcement ever helped you out as a truck driver? Comment down that below. The reason why I say that is there is a raw dash cam video here of a Oregon State Trooper on the 395 that basically while he was driving by, he saw a truck driver hit black ice and flipped over. So he turned around, ran out, and he pulled the truck driver out. The truck driver's okay. But here's the crazy part. Basically, they go on social media and then they post saying that there was no high winds, there was no traffic, the truck driver was not speeding, and it was just plain old black ice. So the truck driver wasn't fired. He didn't get in trouble. It was what it was. And I just want to show that there are really good people out there that want to help people. And furthermore, most people are just trying to do their jobs. So, mother truckers, all I got to say is, hey, to this Oregon State Patrol, my hat's off to you. I know the video they put up didn't get a lot of views. And so I hope it goes viral for you, just to say thank you for helping out a fellow truck driver and helping him get home to his family. We appreciate you for that, and we appreciate you that you actually put it out there and called the company and let them know and show the dash cam footage that it was not the truck driver's fault and it was just an accident.